Hare Krishna Prabhu. The statement of the Shastra that in Kali-yuga, Krishna told in Bhagavad Gita, Manmanam Bhakto, means always we should think of the Lord. In the Kali-yuga, the chanting process, that is, no separate thinking is required that time. It is as good as thinking of the Lord. To understand this statement, as means we can analyze like this, that in the thinking activity,
no, you have to think of the name of the Lord. Not the thinking is not required. Nama smaranam. Smaranam means thinking. Instead of thinking of the form of the Lord, you should think of the name of the Lord. Japa is nothing but thinking of the name of the Lord. The repetition, you have to think for repetition, isn't it? And then what are you repeating? You should be aware. Just like you think the form of the Lord and then you think of the qualities of the Lord. Similarly, when you chant, automatically, that of course at the next stage, the qualities of the Nama will manifest in us. That will engage our mind in thinking of the glories of the holy name. But not in the beginning. First we have to purify ourselves by hearing the sound. Sound is God. Like that we should chant because it is a fact. That is the meaning of avatara. We don't speculate. Speculation is the biggest disease when you chant. So to stop that we say don't think. We cannot stop thinking. Thinking to complete the rounds, it's a task.